Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a steel gray metallic. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, black MB Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, panorama sunroof, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, lane tracking package with blind spot assist, lane keep assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center. This GLE has 70,502 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2016 GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.